Hello guys, Ivan here, and let's check out this Mercedes-Benz C-Class, and this is the C-Class facelift. So you can recognize the facelift very easily if you take a look at the front and rear tail lamps and front headlights. As I said numerous times, the facelift, the biggest advantage of the facelift is, in my opinion, the gearbox. So now 9 gears instead of the 7th. We have new digital panels, and also that the gearbox is now improved from 7 gears to 9 gears. So that's really great. And then the cabin looks the same way as before. Obviously we have a new steering wheel and new digital panels. So yeah guys, overall I can say that this car is... Alright guys, so welcome to the driving part of the C-Class facelift. So this is 220 diesel engine variant. And let me know guys, how do you like this video quality? This is first recording with the GoPro Hero 8 Black. So this is the sedan version. This is actually my first experience with the C-Class facelift. So I had on the test the C Coupe, but the pre-facelift version also with this engine 220D, because this is the most common engine variant, the diesel, here in Europe. And here we have these winding corners. So this is a real drive car, feels great in the corners. It would be very interesting to try this in the AMG. And I'm in the comfort mode. Okay, so let's go one more time up. Pretty good. Yeah, very nice. The C63 would be here like a shark. Yeah, really nice. We have the 2.2 liter diesel engine, 194 horsepower, 400 newton meters of torque, or to 95 pound-feet of torque. The acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour or 62 miles per hour happens in 6.9 seconds. And this engine is coupled with the 9 Distronic, which is automatic 9-gear transmission. So let's set this into the Sport Plus and let's try how it goes here into the corners. The tarmac here is quite good. We have some parts which are not as good, which is like uneven, but overall it's pretty good. We have also adaptive suspension here. So it goes pretty nicely. Obviously this is not an AMG, but the purpose of this car is to drive really peacefully with great consumption. And for this reason this is an amazing car. So we can actually try now the individual mode. So the individual mode I set in a way that you have a Sport Plus for the engine, but for the suspension it's comfort. So we should have more comfort, but with a more responsive engine. Brakes, nice. Also we can check in the vehicle dynamic select, engine data. Okay guys, so I want to show you here how the Distronic works. So the Distronic is basically an adaptive cruise control. So you can activate it here if you set the speed, and you can set the distance with the vehicle in front of you. So you have 4 levels. So right now I'm on the 1, so I'm the closest to the vehicle as it's safely, we can say. And now the vehicle brakes, because the vehicle in front of me also brakes. Now I can set the speed limit for the city. So driving with this car it steers also automatically, but the car needs to see the lane. So overall driving with this car in the city is a breeze. So right now I'm in the closest setting, so if I want to be far away I can set it to level 2. Or even level 3 and 4. The faster you go, the more distance there is between the vehicle in front of you. So if you want to feel safe, then you can set it on 4. But sometimes it might be too far away for you, so you can change the level here. you can set the maximum speed which the car would go, and if the car goes slower than your speed, then it will brake, and if the car goes faster, then you will maintain your maximum speed. Also have active lane keeping assist. Let's see how this brakes on the traffic light. So now the car brakes itself, not me. And yeah, the car is also maintaining the brake. Let's see if it would move. You need to just tap into the throttle and the car will accelerate. Obviously you need to brake into the corner. But if you have a route guidance on, and in the newer models, I tried it in the GLE and GLS, and the car actually slowed down based on the corners and GPS coordinates. You have also 3D navigation here. You can see the speed limit. So now we have wide cockpit here for the C-Class. So if you press a little firmly on the brake pedal, you will see here the halt, and it will actually hold the car also in the hill, but also on the straight. So that's really a great benefit for this feature. We have also start-stop system. So if I activate it, you will have the green icon here, but right now we have the orange icon, so that means that the start-stop was not available. So mainly I drive in the city on the cruise control, and here we have adaptive cruise control. So also the car has active lane keeping assist.
400 meters, keep left onto the motorway.
Okay, so the car can steer for you. So that's really a really good feature. So for example here it steers.
Now keep left.
Very nice.
Please follow the road for 30 kilometers.
So now I'm heading on the highway, and overall with the sedan and estate you have better sound isolation. That's mainly because you have a framed door. With the coupe and cabriolet you have a frameless doors. So more air is coming, more sound is coming to the cabin. So yeah, as I said numerous times, the facelift, the biggest advantage of the facelift is, in my opinion, the gearbox. So now 9 gears instead of the 7th. So the main difference here with the facelift is that we have new digital panels, and also that the gearbox is now improved from 7 gears to 9 gears, so that's really great. And then the cabin looks the same way as before. Obviously we have a new steering wheel and new digital panels, so we can now increase speed here with the Distronic on the steering wheel. The car will accelerate by itself. So now we can reset the trip computer and let's see the fuel consumption. Here we are going a little bit uphill, and also we have some wind today. So I set the speed limit to 133 kilometers per hour, which is like around 80 miles per hour, maybe 81. Right now I'm at the 8th gear. I think the car will shift into the 9th gear. Now the car can feel that there is a wind resistance and it needs the torque. So yeah, on my way back there was probably tailwind, so I had 5.5 consumption. Maybe I can shift myself to the 9th gear, and as you can see I shifted and we have now 1600. So yeah guys, overall I can say that this car is much better than the pre-facelift, and I think this is a fantastic car. So even more enjoyable it would be with petrol engines, and obviously the C43 and C63s. So hey guys, thank you very much for watching. Leave a comment, like this video, share with your friends, and guys, I will see you soon in the next video. Take care and have a wonderful day.